Are you tired of annoying ads popping up every time you browse the web? Today we are comparing two popular ad blockers, uBlock Origin and AdBlock. Both tools help you enjoy a cleaner, faster online experience by blocking unwanted ads. They work similarly, but they have some key differences that might affect your choice. Let's start with uBlock Origin. This tool is known for its lightweight design. It uses less memory and CPU power, making it great for slower devices. uBlock Origin also offers a wide range of filters. You can customize it to block specific types of content like trackers and scripts. Now, let's look at AdBlock. This tool is user friendly and easy to set up. It has a simple interface that many people find appealing. AdBlock also has a feature that allows you to whitelist certain sites. This means you can support your favorite websites by allowing ads on them. So, what are the main differences? uBlock Origin is more efficient and customizable. It's perfect for those who want more control. On the other hand, AdBlock is easier for beginners and has a more straightforward setup. When it comes to features, both tools do a great job of blocking ads. However, uBlock Origin often has better performance in terms of speed. AdBlock, while effective, may slow down your browsing a bit more. In terms of pricing, both tools are free to use. However, AdBlock offers a premium version with extra features if you want to support the developers. In the end, if you want a lightweight and customizable option, go for uBlock Origin. If you prefer something simple and easy to use, AdBlock might be the better choice for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.